Hello students, welcome to Math Revision Part 2. In this video, we'll discuss first four chapters in math subject. Very important questions we will discuss with answers. So watch the video till the end. Let's see what questions appeared in section 1. If log 2 power of x into 3 power of y is equal to log 288, then find the values of x and y. So 2 log 2 power of x into 3 power of y is equal to log 288. We will cancel log on either side of is equal to. So 2 power of x into 3 power of y is equal to 288. Now we will split this 288 in the factors of 2 and 3 students like this. So 288 can be expressed as 2 power of 5 into 3 power of 2. So 2 power of x is 2 power of 5. So x value will be 5 and 3 power of y is equal to 3 power of 2. So y value will be 2. Write roster form of set A x such that x is equal to prime number and x is less than or equal to 21. So we know the prime numbers which are less than 21, that is 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. We will not write 21 because 21 is not a prime number. Check minus 2 is the 0 of the polynomial p of x is equal to 3x cube plus 2x square plus 7x plus 8 or not. So to check whether minus 2 is a polynomial, we have to replace minus 2 in x, and if the answer is 0, then it is a 0 of the polynomial. If minus 2 value after replacing in x minus 2 value is not 0, then it is not a 0 of the polynomial. So P of x is given as 3x cube plus 2x square plus 7x plus 8. So P of minus 2 value is minus 22. It is not 0. So minus 2 is not a 0 of the given polynomial. Find the value of P if Px plus 4y minus 3 is equal to 0 and x plus 2y plus 4 is equal to 0 or parallel lines. Such type of questions are very important, students. You can expect for board exam. As these two lines are parallel to each other, we know the parallel line condition a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2. So we will consider only first two because p is in the a1. So a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2. From these two equation, a1 is p, a2 is 1 and b1 is 4 and b2 is 2. So p by 1 is equal to 4 by 2. When two fractions are equated, we have to cross multiply. So 2p is equal to 4. Obviously p will be 4 by 2, which is 2. So the value of p is 2. We'll discuss section 2 now. Show that 3 minus root 2 is an irrational number. We can expect one problem on an irrational number. So to prove it is an irrational number, first we have to assume this value is a rational number. So a by b where b is not equal to 0. So minus root 2 is equal to a by b minus 3 plus 3 goes to that side, and it will be equal to 3 a minus 3b by b, but here we will remove the negative, it will become positive. Minus 3b will become plus 3b plus a will become minus a by b. Here a, b and 3 are integers and it is rational. If right part of the equal to symbol is rational number, obviously left side will also be rational. But this is contradiction to our assumption. Therefore, 3 minus root 2 is an irrational number. Sixth question, if a is equal to x such that x is equal to n belongs to natural number, 3 is less than or equal to n less than or equal to 8, and b is equal to x such that x is equal to p, where p is whole number, p is less than or equal to 5, then find the value of a union b minus a intersection b. So this is in set builder form. We have to convert into rooster form, students. So 3 is less than or equal to n less than or equal to 8 means a is equal to 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have to include 3 and 8 because less than or equal to symbol is there. So b is x such that p belongs to the whole numbers. P is less than or equal to 5. Less than or equal to 5 is there means we have to include 5 also, ranging from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have starting from 0 because whole numbers always starts with 0. A union B is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The elements which are there in both A and B is called A union B, and we should not repeat the elements, friends. A intersection B is the common elements which are there in A and B. So 3 is there in both A and B, 4 is also there, 5 is also there. So A intersection will become 3, 4, 5. So A union B minus A intersection B is nothing but that is 0, 1, 2, 6, 7, 8. If the length of a rectangle is 5 meters more than its breadth and perimeter is 38 meters, then find the length and breadth of the rectangle. Breadth is x, obviously length will become 5 plus x because breadth length is 5 times more than the breadth. So perimeter of rectangle is given as 38. So we know the formula for perimeter of rectangle, that is 2 into L plus B is equal to 38. L plus B will become 38 by 2, which is 19. So length value we have know that 5 plus x, I am replacing length as 5 plus x, and breadth value we have taken as x, I am replacing breadth as x. So here x plus x is 2x. I'm sending plus 5 to other side. It will become minus 5. 2x is equal to 14. X will be obviously 14 by 2, which is 7. So when breadth is 7, length will be x plus 5, which is 12. So length of the rectangle is 12 meters and breadth will be 7 meters. Eighth question is a question from polynomials that to graph. Find the zeros of the polynomial x square plus 5x plus 4 using graph. So to find the zeros of the given polynomial, we have to take the points like this, students, ranging from minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So once you replace these x values with minus 3, minus 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, you will get y values and take these points and plot it in the graph. If you plot it in the graph looks like this as a parabola. Wherever this parabola or curve meets the x-axis, that is the solution of the or zeros of the given polynomial. So this parabola is meeting x-axis at minus 4 and also minus 1. So minus 4 and minus 1 are zeros of the given polynomial. So 18th question is a question from pair of linear equation. We have to find the solution using graph. So we have to take 2 points, taking x0 and we'll get y, and now we'll take y0, we'll get x. So 2 points are enough to draw the straight line, students. So similarly we will draw the graph for second equation, that is x plus 2y plus 3 is equal to 0. Now we'll keep x as 0, we'll get y, and now y0 will get x value. Now this 2 points of first equation and 2 points of second equation will plot in the graph. So these two lines, straight lines, are meeting at this point. So this point is nothing but the solution of the given equation. So it is meeting x-axis at minus 1 and y-axis at 2. So x is equal to minus 1 and y is equal to 2 is the solution of the given graph. A is equal to x such that x is a letter in the word mathematics and B x such that x is a letter in the word physical science. Then draw Venn diagram of the sets and find the number of possible subsets of A intersection B. So A, this is in rooster set builder form. We have to convert into rooster form, students. So A is equal to MATHEICS. Letters should not be repeated in set. B is equal to PHYSICALEN. So the common elements should be put in this area. It is nothing but A intersection B, and A minus B is the elements which are left out after A intersection B, that is empty, and B set will be PYLN. So A intersection B, obviously AHEICS. So number of possible subsets are 2 power of 6 because number of subset formula is 2 power of n, where A is number of elements in the set. Here we have 6 elements, so 2 power of 6 is 64. That's all for this today revision class, students. Thank you. Have a nice day.